So guys, basically, let's not watch how I look because my eyelashes are falling off. But right now I'm in the cab on the way to get my hair done. But I still look like an egg, but it's fine. I'm gonna update you lot when I get to the actual hair place, if this wants to focus. So the time now is 10:54, so I'm gonna update you lot when I get there. YouTube pay me to make videos. Yeah, the amount of people, it depends on how many people watch that video. So one video can make more money than the other video.
Oh, you're brave.
I know, yeah.
You're so confident.
You gotta be confident. You gotta be confident because
Whoa.
you gotta be confident.
If my bra strap showed, I would die. You know, that's how. You know, that was like the worst thing ever.
It is what it is. Like, I've got to do what I got to do because at the end of the day, it's my life and I can't.
Yeah.
I can't live to please other people.
Very true.
So you just got to stay confident and do you.
Period, Peach. Period.
Oh, excellent. Oh,
Yeah.
You've inspired me today.
So basically, guys, I'm supposed to be meeting my mum. She's meant to be coming with Hosea. Tomorrow is also Jojo's birthday as well. So it's just me, my mum, and my two little brothers. Again, my eyelashes, as you can see, when I tried washing them, they all separated and it's been a madness. I'm gonna buy some more today after I've got my hair done. Yeah, we're not far from there now, but just hope you man enjoyed the vlog. Yeah. So guys, that was actually the most stress. Literally vlogging in public is mad. Like, I salute all the people that can do it. Gang, 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 gang. Gang, 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 gang. Gang, gang, gang. Okay, where is it?
Sir,
Is that taking me?
currently on the way to hairdressers. So we can't hear it. Oh, we're walking to the hairdressers. And they're making me stop a lot.
Guys, this is just unnecessary stress of trying to find where we're meant to go.
I know.
Oh, hi. Yeah. How are you?
I'm alright, love. Finally found it.
Yeah. That was a walk and a half. So guys, we finally made it after we couldn't find where it is.
Walk all the way back that way.
Really?
And I'm like,
I'm sorry. How much are your eyelashes?
They're £5.
Could I buy one please after? Thank you. Before, after the pictures, because my eyelashes are coming off right now, so it's looking a bit of a mess. You guys alright?
everybody these days has got these ring lights, innit?
Mum, I want one, you know. I wanted one for my
You need to get your own. Well, you broke.
Yeah.
You guys broke the one at home.
But they broke it, I didn't break it. So guys, I don't think I told you guys exactly what I'm doing today. So I'm getting a wig installed by London Virgin Hair. I'll link all of their everything down below. Make sure you check out their Instagram. Do you have Snapchat? Yeah, Snapchat. Just make sure you check out their Instagram and their website to purchase your wigs, bundles, whatever. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much.
Right or yes, I need it's your first one to win.
Yeah, I'm scared. I'm scared it won't see me. No, I've watched so many videos. I know I've got to. Yes, I had to come ready. I've got everything ready. So I know how to like apply it. Rose, you get my phone please, babe? Guys, I like an egg. My edges are moving mad, but it's okay because the end result to look cute, baby girl. I'm getting a 16 inch lace front kinky. What is it? Kinky. What is it? Mama don't know. Mama doesn't even know, but getting that in today. Ooh, dang! I'm scared.
Scared?
Oh my gosh.
How does it feel?
It feels Feels good, secure, yeah. Feels on.
Nah, they're honestly so much better. But you know I don't like about it. I mean, lace wear. Paste.
How long I'd have to wash it out the same day?
That's what I would say you should do, because that means that when you want to glue it on again.
And it will build up. You don't want that.
Because I was saying to my friend the other day as well, like, thank you. So the more you build it up, the harder it is to clean and the longer it will take you to clean.
And then the lace will damage the lace.
It's different that you just start to resent cleaning your lace. You won't want to do it. So I feel like if you just do it as soon as you take it off, just quickly clean it to the rubbing alcohol, and then just put it up to dry.
The mannequin, whatever. Could buy a mannequin today as well.
Legit, like just leave it to dry.
Look after your lace.
Saying that, oh no, I don't like frontal because the maintenance is too much. What you allowed the glue to build up, so you can't really complain. So
you hear that, guys? Wash your lace. Wash your lace. Wash your lace.
And then it makes it look a lot better when you glue it down as well. Like it doesn't look gunky or like. No, this looks too.
It looks too real. Are you seeing this? Where is the lace though? So guys, right now we're spraying it with water.
Yeah.
And then what we're gonna have to put?
I'm gonna put some of the mousse, like the curling mousse that we have in the salon here.
Curling mousse?
Yeah.
I went for a sad parting.
See?
What colour is this one? Natural colour?
Yeah. Natural 1D. So good.
It's alright. Dang, it looks longer. Oh my god. Oh my days. I'm gassed. Of course I'm gassed. Oh my gosh! Oh my days! Let me give it back. What do you do?
Point to your mirror. Now, Hannah, what do you rate it out of 10?
Rate this good 10 out of 10. Everyone check out London Virgin Hair, link in the description for everything. You sell bundles? Sell bundles, closures, fronties, everything, the whole shebang, 360 basically. The whole shebang. And yeah. So guys, this is the end result. I think it looks bomb. Guys, I had to take off those bust down eyelashes and get myself some new ones. Eyelashes are from London Virgin Hair, as well as where I got my hair done. What I'm gonna do is buy some more like curling custard because it is going puffing again, and I prefer the wet look. But today we've got a journey. This is just the beginning of the vlog. I'm gonna get my second piercing up there, and then what are we doing again? We need to go to the hair shop, shaver shop, whatever you want to call it, and just get the whole shebang. And yeah. So guys, we are in, where are we in now? We're in Woolwich. We're in Woolwich, and I'm gonna go get my ears pierced in Woolwich. I know. As you guys can see, the hair's gone puffy because obviously water doesn't last forever. So I'm gonna have to buy some hair mousse, hair stuff, hair whatever to keep it wet because I like the wet look. I think it looks really nice. Vlogging in public is just unnecessary stress. Like, what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm not getting anything like extravagant. It's just gonna be, I've already got my first earlobe piercing. I'm just gonna get my second earlobe piercing, period. And yeah, these men are pacing, they're walking so fast, so I'm gonna walk fast and yeah, be safe. Hey guys! Hey guys!
Hey guys!
Do it again. Hey guys! Hey guys!
No guys!
Hey guys!
No, wait, let me do it. Okay guys, it's Hannah Marie. Today
What is it? Hannah Marie. I got my hair done.
I got my lashes on.
I got my lashes on.
And I'm looking
I got my ears pierced.
Oh, I got my ears pierced.
Because it's her birthday. Yay! So guys, I don't know if you lot knew, but tomorrow is Jojo's birthday. And the day after it's my birthday. So we gotta stay slick with it. So guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Just because there's just nothing else to show you guys, to be honest. I didn't get to film me getting my ears pierced because it was in the chemist, and then like it was just in front of everyone and I didn't want to put the chemist on camera or whatever. And yeah, as you guys can see, the hair has gone extra puffy because the water has hair. And what you want to use on your hair instead of foam, you want to use custard. So this is a really good custard. This custard, the Curl Define satin, it's really good for curly hair, kinky hair. This is deep wave. It's not, I would call it, you know, kinky curly, but on their company it says deep wave. So as I said, London Virgin Hair, thank you for doing my hair today. Hope to come back soon, and everybody have a blessed day. Stay blessed. Everyone, just say thank you to God for waking you up another morning, bro. Comment, like, subscribe, you know the drill. Do whatever, do whatever.